Hello everyone and welcome to our next video on Simple AI with Python and Colab. And today we discuss how to use camera in Colab. This is an issue every new camera faces. And the problem is Colab runs on a remote server and it doesn't have access to your computer devices. And every newbie looks over the internet how to solve this. There is no pre-described code snippet from Google. And the reasonable way how to solve this problem is to use browser-related tools. Finally, we are inside browser. So we'll use HTML and JavaScript, and eval.js is just a tool to get access to JavaScript variables to evaluate JavaScript code. And base64 is the tool to decode and encode from and to base64 encoding and binary encoding. Let's run this one. We'll use this JavaScript and finally run it inside this cell. JavaScript is very simple. We create two buttons, one to start recording, one to stop recording. And we use Navigator to look for media devices, audio and video. And we create a new object of media recorder to record from the stream. And clicking on start button, we just start the recorder, and clicking on stop button, we stop the recorder and get data from buffer, the recording itself. And finally, we create a video element and video player, and we supply our recorded data from buffer as a source to it to replace straight away what we have recorded. And this is the only function called record video. It returns our video recording as a base64 encoded string. Okay, let's run this one. And finally we run JavaScript to start all the interaction described in it, and we evaluate this record video function to get our recording as base64 string, and we decode it back to binary to write into a newly created video.mp4 file opened for writing. Okay, so I will have to first turn off my camera, otherwise I won't be able to show you how it works. Okay, start recording. Oh, you can see me, I'm having my coffee. It's before breakfast recording. And now stop recording and wait a little. I will get back to you with my video. Okay, I'm back with you. So now we have recording in video mp4 file, and we have it inside buffer. Oh, you can see me, I'm having my coffee. It's before breakfast recording, so we can replay it straight away over here. That's all. So you can use this code snippet and this cell to record video with your built-in camera. It's very simple, and use it each time you need camera recording. Okay, so thanks for watching, thanks for being with me. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to simpleai.net. See you, bye.